All right, so let's see how many more ponies we can squeeze out of the supercharger on the GTX 300. Let's see what Riva done supplied us. We've got, of course, got the Maptuner X along with the cable to connect to the ECU. And let's open up the box here. Before first use, open up the laptop, go to his website, do some downloading, sync it, and connect. Easy as 1, 2, 3. All right, well, let's get cracking. And that's what it looks like. Okay. Okay, and here's the website, www.maptuner.se/ or backslash, whatever direction the slash is, download, and we'll be downloading the 64-bit version. Once everything is downloaded, you'll select new user and create an account. Okay, once the user account has been created, now you are in, and the next step will be to use the supplied sync cable and transfer these files to the device there. All right, we're all hooked up, and the next thing to do is synchronize. Select the map tuner. I guess it's this one. And away we go. And I guess that's a pretty good indication that something's happening. It's like turning on and off and stuff. I don't know whether it's supposed to do that, but that's what it's doing. So I guess we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, so now this is all synced. The next thing that we need to do is take this and connect it to the ski's ECU. Okay, so now this is all hooked up. Ski is on, and now we're going to add vehicle. If you have connected your vehicle to the map tuner, please start identifying. Okay, hit next. Did it do it? There we go. Okay, so now that we've transferred all the ski information to the device, now we can go back, hook this back up to the laptop, and then select the tune. So once you're all hooked back up to your PC, you can select the appropriate tune for your ski. And let's see, so now that's done. We'll close that, select the tune, and you can hover over each one of these and it'll tell you exactly what the required and optional parts are. So for my application, I'm going to be selecting that one. And then submit request. Do you want to use this one? Yes. Okay. So once that's done, you'll notice that there are some new icons now in the device. So now that the tune has been downloaded to the device, I can hook the device back up to the ski and download the tune to the ski. Let's go. Okay, so now that we've downloaded the tune onto this, we need to get it from this to the jet ski's ECU. And that is done by disconnecting the diagnostic cable, which is there on this particular model. And we're going to plug this in. Now that the cable is plugged in, next thing you do is plug your key in, hit your start stop button one time, and that will turn your gauge cluster on. Then we plug this into the Maptuner. All right, Maptuner plugged into the ECU. Now we're going to go to programming, and then you'll see the tune that we've downloaded on there. You highlight that, hit next. Required parts are on, hit download. Confirmation, yes. Make sure that the key is on, yes. And this will take a few minutes. Okay, so now you'll have confirmation that the programming is complete. Hit OK, hit next. Now what you'll want to do is you want to hit the service tab. And let's see if there's any codes. No error codes found. Cool. Go back to home. Home again. And we're done. Disconnect everything. Put the ECU cable back where it was. And enjoy the ride. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.